In SendPulse, every course is created within a specific academy, which has its own website, the main resource where you can share all essential information for current and future students. The Academy website has a dedicated domain, which you can select during setup or replace with a custom one. You can also create a separate page for any course within your Academy. The course page will share the same domain as the Academy website, but in its settings, you can generate a unique link for it. Let's start by exploring the parameters available for the Academy website. To access the site settings, open the desired Academy in the Courses section. In the upper right corner, click the arrow and choose one of the following actions. Go to Site, copy link to website, edit website, page settings, or unpublish. To edit the content of your site in the page builder, select Edit Website. You'll be redirected to the Website Builder under the Website section. There, you can edit the site you created when setting up the Academy, whether using a pre-built template or starting from scratch. Using the blog section and column elements, you can structure your page layout. Widgets allow you to add interactive and functional elements to engage visitors. If needed, you can create an additional page for your Academy or a separate page for any course. For example, you can introduce instructors and their experience, publish the course curriculum, and showcase student feedback. In the list of site pages, click Add Page, and in the Website Builder, design your structure and add the necessary content. In addition to the Academy website, you can also create a dedicated course page to present your learning product more clearly. This allows you to describe the program in detail, target audience, duration, learning format, and expected outcomes, helping potential students make informed decisions. To create a course page, open the desired course and click Add Page in the upper right corner. You can either create a new page or select one from the available options. Enter the link and select a template that suits your field. To use a template, choose the language and preview its design. To build a page from scratch, click New Site. Then click Add Page next to the link section. In the Site Builder, edit and customize the page by adding all the relevant information about your course. To publish the page, click Publish in the upper right corner. From there, you can also go to Page, copy link to page, edit page, page settings, or change course page, add registration form. You cannot delete a course page separately from its course, but you can unpublish it in the Courses or Sites section to make it inaccessible to users and prevent new registrations.